Hi guys, this is Chris from ICOM Assistive Technology. I'm going to answer one of the questions we've been seeing a lot all over the place, and that is, what do you need to do to be able to pick an assistive technology device? And what we're going to do to help you guys answer that is break that down into 3 smaller questions and make it a little bit more manageable. So the first thing you need to answer is, what do you want to be able to control? Then you need to answer, what action are you going to be using to control that input? And then, where do the products need to be placed for maximum ease of use for you as the end user? So to determine what you need to be able to control, first you need to think about what you can and what you're unable to currently do. If you need to be able to control the mouse, that means you can currently type on a keyboard, but you're having some trouble clicking or moving the mouse cursor around. If you need to be able to control the keyboard, generally you'll still have a little bit of control over the mouse, but you're having some trouble with the existing keyboard. And third, if you need to be able to control the mouse and keyboard both, just means you're struggling to use a traditional mouse and keyboard input. So first thing you need to do is classify yourself among those. What are you currently having trouble using? Next, you need to determine what action you're going to want to use to actually control that computer input. So you're going to need to identify a motion that you're going to be comfortable with doing over and over and over again. Operating a computer, even using a traditional mouse, gets very repetitive, so the motion that you're going to want to pick is something that you're comfortable doing on an extended basis. This motion can be anything from pushing in a large button to help you control the mouse, to moving your head around, to even moving a finger. There is a device out there to help you control the computer for just about any motion that you can make. So identify the one that is most comfortable for you to do over and over again, and that'll help you also isolate the device that you're eventually going to need. The third thing you need to keep in mind is where the product needs to be placed. For example, if you are wheelchair bound and you're going to be using a button to help you control your computer, then something with a lot of cords and that kind of stuff probably is going to get in your way, so you're going to probably want to consider a wireless button. Once you've answered those 3 questions, you are well on your way to controlling computer using an assistive technology device.